Welcome to Megatube Introduction 30 Seconds. Looking for a quick and healthy meal to fuel your day? In just 6 minutes, I'll show you how to whip up a high-protein, low-calorie dish that's perfect for weight loss. 2. Quick preview. Show the finished dish to grab attention. Ingredients overview, 30 seconds. Display ingredients with text overlays for clarity. Example: 1 cup cooked quinoa or brown rice, 100 gram grilled chicken or tofu, 1 cup steamed veggies, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, 1 teaspoon olive oil or sesame oil. Spices: garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Optional: a squeeze of lemon or low-calorie sauce. Preparation steps: 4 minutes. Step 1. 1 minute. Heat a non-stick pan on medium. 1. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil and lightly sauté steamed veggies with garlic powder and black pepper. Step 2. 1 minute. Add pre-cooked quinoa or rice to the pan. Stir for even heat. Step 3. 1 minute. Add grilled chicken or tofu to the pan. Mix everything thoroughly. Step 4. 1 minute. Adjust seasoning, squeeze lemon, and plate your meal. 4. Tips and tricks. 30 seconds. 1. Suggest substitutions. No quinoa, use oats, couscous, or even cauliflower rice. Make ahead advice. Double the recipe for an easy grab-and-go lunch tomorrow. 1. Final shot of the dish, beautifully plated. That's it. Healthy, tasty, and ready in 6 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick meal ideas.